All right. So likewise for she or on focused. So let me just remove this. Okay. Woman, female, girl. Mahima or Elika, or Kanya. Can everyone go on with this? Balike. All right. So the way we used around here, similarly, here we'll use around now. Around. Around school, or college, or university, or engineering, or technology, school, college, university, engineering, technology, or hostel, or Mahila Vidya Mandir. Mandir, Sanghatan. 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 Okay, let me just keep this much only. So around how many words? I'll just say 7 words into and through. So this would give me the mix of universities or mix of women in tech or anything. Sanghatan. Okay, SANGATHAN. Okay. Okay, so as this limits to the 32 keywords, it start excluding the least result, which has a number of result with that particular word. It start excluding a word which has that particular least results, because we have only 32 keywords. But still, if you see, we have a decent enough of results, and that's again a diversity ones. So let's say, just to see a diversity part in this, let me remove Bangalore. I'll keep it. This experience looking for and all. Yeah, 22,70,000. Girls high school, or maybe women in tech, or women engineering college, or whatever. It takes a combination of everything, not just the school, but also uh, people from co-education. But again, there are women candidates. So this is a second way of it. Let me stop and reshare. Yeah. All right, I'll just take a pause. Any doubts on this?
Yes, I just want to understand. Like you said, this syntax is fetching from co-ed also, right?
It's fetching from college because we gave a school, college, university. So it's fetching in this way: women's related school, women relating college, women related university, a combination of women and any one word from this: women in technology, women in engineering, or women's hostel, or anything. Similarly, in combination of female and any one word from here, or Mahila Sangatna, or Mahila Mandir, or Mahila Vidya Mandir, or Balika Mandir, Balika Vidya Mandir, Kanya Vidyalaya. Yeah, Vidyalaya also we can add. There's a word also, Vidyalaya, right, in Indian schools. Uh, so let me just keep only, okay, Sangatana. Okay. So let's say one more search we'll prepare. Maybe people from other countries, you might try to find out some of the words in your own country for women-based words, or synonyms for the women-based words, and synonyms for the schools, colleges, or communities for the women-based communities in your own language, and you'll be able to see. So let's say, I'll just remove this. Mahila, Balika, Kanya, Balike. Around school and all, I'll remove English words. Let's say Mandir, Sanghatan, Vidyalaya, Vidya, Vidyalaya. Okay, Mandir, Sanghatan, Sanghatan spelling, what is it? Sanghathan. Okay, it gave it. Sangha. Sanghathan. Mandir, Sanghatan, Vidyalaya, Vidya, Vidyalaya. Any other words? Okay, let's go only with this. Yeah, here again we have Vidya Parisad College Engineering for Women. Mahila Kalashala. Yeah, Patshala, Kalashala. I can use that also. Parisad. Yes. Vidya Parisad. Kalashala. Patshala. Let me just add those words also. Or Parisad, or I'll just keep Kala because there are a lot of Kala mandirs. Kalashala.
Even we can add Shala also, only Shala.
Yeah, only Kala also. Kalashala, Kala, or Pathshala, Patshala. So once we go in that approach, we would see some further results, and we can learn from that, and we can always come back and add additional words. So again, we see all our diversity names. Vidya Parisad College for Engineering and Women. Now, if you see here, we did not even give women, but it's still highlighting because again, Google understands it and gives the related words. Balika Vidya. Mahilayam. Yeah, see, we have not given, we have just given Mahila, but it's again highlighting Mahilayam also because Google again understands the synonyms of it. Parisad. I think this search would increase more results. The one new one which we have created here, we have 38. So let's see if I just give this one. Yeah, 22,400 related to the Vidyalaya, Parisad, and all related word. And again from Bangalore.
So I've mentioned Bhavan also, Vidya Bhavan or something like that.
Bhavan.
Some colleges mentioned.
Awesome. So let me just bring this also.
I think OR should be changed.
Yeah. Maybe that we can use it as a pipe. So this or we can change it to pipe. That should be fine. Thanks, Madhusudan. Good call out. Though it reads, but once the strings become a lengthy, it starts ignoring it. So let's say I'll just keep it as a pipe. Great. So that's about the indirect search. Any further questions on indirect?
We have again used LinkedIn. Instead of that, if we want overall Google, how do we change that?
I didn't get you.
Like we are again using LinkedIn here.
Hmm.
So instead of that, if we are looking at overall Google search or something like that. So we just need to put in URL.
This is on Google only, Madhusudan. Basically, what we have done now is X-ray search. Okay.
Or LinkedIn.
No,
So this
no, no.
will.
He is asking if we can give the open search since we have given site linkedin.com, but if we want to go ahead and give open-ended search.
Open. Yeah.
And that is what, when we give that search on LinkedIn, it becomes LinkedIn search. What we have done now on Google is X-ray search. I'm just trying to explain him as to what is the difference.
Hmm.
Yeah. So around operator, I don't think that works on LinkedIn, right?
No, I got it, but I was looking at apart from LinkedIn also if we want to capture.
No, use related words and just don't do X-ray searches, but keep those particular searches related to like this. You might get it. We'll do those searches. Maybe in another session, we'll do how to search for diversity without LinkedIn. So allow me some time, we'll cover a diversity search. This is basically a searching for diversity on LinkedIn and non-LinkedIn, means direct and indirect. All right, but there's 100% of way of it. So yeah, that's about it. About a direct or indirect, I think I have shared these searches also. Any further doubts, confusion, questions? Is this good?
Yes, we can proceed.
All right. So as this is again focused on a diversity part, so let me disconnect again so that while I upload the videos in a YouTube, we have a continuous session for the diversity, and I'll disconnect and reconnect again so that we'll start on our next session. All right. So you can please rejoin again.
All right.
Thank you. Bye-bye.